It's my feel-good breakfast show.
A very good morning. Welcome back to the show. Now, the Faculty of Commerce at the University of Cape Town runs an annual program called the Genesis Project, which calls on students to ideate a new business concept, raise their own startup capital, and then take their innovative product to market. Now, it's an exciting and thrilling year-long experience which runs alongside them getting their honours qualification as well. So a lot of stress, as you can imagine. Now, joining us to explain the mechanics of this entrepreneurial project is UCT Lecturer and course convener for the Genesis Project, Stuart Hendry. Thank you very much for being here with us.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
And this is so exciting that you're doing this. We were speaking at length about it during the ad break, but we are living in exciting times with startup businesses. Entrepreneurship is what is getting people ahead there. Tell us a bit more about this Genesis project and how it works academically with the students and how it is a guide to building a successful startup.
So thank you for having us. We're looking forward to our pitching sessions just now. The Genesis project is the action learning component of the UCT postgraduate diploma in entrepreneurship in management. And the focus is very much on learning how to set up and run your own business.
Yeah.
It's an honours level program, so the students have got an undergraduate degree. So from day one, they're fulfilling the academic requirements, which are quite significant. So they've got to study everything from strategy, HR, IT, management, right through to setting up and running their own business. And I literally mean setting up and running their own business.
Yeah.
It's not a business simulation, it's not a business plan.
Real world stuff.
They've got to ideate their own product, raise their own capital, produce it locally, because we want to see jobs created locally,
Yes.
and they've got to take this product to market. And you'll see later on, they've created some very special products.
Yeah. How do they manage to actually raise this capital to start up with, and how much do these projects typically need to start up?
So we've got 2 fundraising events in the first half of the semester, and it's a big part of their learning curve, how to present the opportunity to potential investors. They have a cake sale on Jamie Plaza, so they kind of
Good old cake sale never fails.
Rolls and a chocolate cake. And they raise anywhere between 20 and 40,000 rand.
Wow.
And that becomes their kind of war chest.
Yeah.
And they use that for their product ideation and production.
Yeah, I understand that the theme this year was about using innovative technologies to create a green student market. Is it something that was just kind of envisioned as a new idea, or something that's really important and relevant to modern day South Africa?
Yeah, so the theme this year was new technology for a green student market.
Mm-hmm.
We wanted to see something that we've never seen before in South Africa. So there's a lot of pressure on innovation.
Yeah.
Of course, balancing the heavy academic load with real innovation is one of the big challenges of this year. But we're very happy with the level of innovation. And then, of course, if you consider that they've actually taken this product to market now, and they're all post-revenue, that just shows you how hard they've worked this year.
Yeah. What kind of opportunities are offered to these students to ensure that should they come up with a great idea that does take flame, that it carries on beyond their years at university?
So we're very proud to say that of the 8 teams that launched last year, 7 are still running this year.
Wow.
So that's
independent of the university?
Independent of the university. So that's our highest ever. For a program that's been running for 20 years, that's quite an achievement.
Wow.
And the opportunities are, they present to angel investors, they present to potential venture capitalists. So we kind of introduce them, we help them build a network around potential investors, and they take their product to the next level.
That's incredible stuff.
Thank you.
In innovation, entrepreneurship, success and longevity. Could we sign you up with a seat in Parliament, perhaps? Anyway, thank you so much for joining us, and we will be tapping into that entrepreneurial spirit a little bit later on. Make sure you stay tuned. In a couple of minutes, we'll be looking at 3 of the Genesis ventures as they each get 30 seconds to give that $1 million pitch for their innovative products. So stay tuned.
It's my feel-good breakfast show.
All right, exciting time for the students right now. Earlier on, we spoke to UCT course convener of the Genesis Project, Stuart Hendry, about the Genesis Project and exactly how it is helping these young people put themselves out there in the real world and put forward real businesses that make real money, that create real jobs in the real world. And right now, we're going to give them the chance to, for 30 seconds, to give you that $1 million pitch that might convince some investor out there to drop the big bucks on them. And first up, we have the team from Aurora Athleisure. All right, so 30 seconds is all you got. I'll talk to you afterwards. 3, 2, 1, and action.
Aurora is a light from the south, the only athleisure brand that celebrates where you're from, South Africa. The Aurora team brought together local designers and manufacturers to create a brand that is 100% locally sourced and manufactured. And we support local talent too, like Subversive Dance Crew. We have nature as our passion, as you can see in our Cape Town nature-inspired prints, and our dedication to environmentally friendly practices.
So athleisure is the combination between activewear and leisurewear. And what we've done is we've created multifunctional...
Oh, and that's 30 seconds. It's 30 seconds, guys. That's all you get. But already a great start to the pitch. I would have already been sold on that. The question I have to ask, which is the same question to everyone, the biggest challenge you faced and how you overcame that challenge in producing and making your business a reality.
I think one of the hardest things with, and certainly in terms of fashion, is finding the most environmentally friendly suppliers.
Yeah.
You know, you want to find environmentally friendly dyes and fabric, and that's really a challenge to make that affordable as well.
Excellent.
And I also think what prints to celebrate Cape Town with. So I think that was also a challenge for us. But I mean, the prints that we came up with were the penguins celebrating Boulders Beach, the proteas, the African beetles.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so that was quite a struggle. But I mean, I think we nailed it.
Excellent stuff. And there you go. You guys are on social media already at aurora.capetown on Facebook, aurora_athleisure on Instagram. Check them out. Okay, cool. Back you go.
Cool.
All right, next group coming up is Instinct CPT. Gentlemen, you know where to look. You know what to do. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Two problems we face every day in South Africa: phone batteries dying and personal safety. Let's talk solutions. Firstly, handcrafted and locally sourced with recycled materials, we at Instinct have created rustic power banks that are both eco-friendly and proudly South African. Secondly, we have designed an ergonomic wristband that fits snugly on your wrist and has a smart built-in button that you would press when you're feeling unsafe, and that sends out your exact GPS location to a network of your emergency contacts, giving you the peace of mind to trust your instinct. Thank you.
Yes, time. That was good. Squeezed it in there at the end of the day. Very nicely done. So what about your challenges that you faced in bringing your business about and how you overcame them?
Right, so I think it was actually just settling on an idea, the ideation process. And I think to overcome that, you really got to do a needs analysis. And we looked at a really crucial need in South Africa, and then we found a way to bring an innovative solution to actually deal with that.
Brilliant,
So,
guys. Loving it. All right, you may step back, and last but certainly not least, Nomos. A certain bit of nerves. I can see you rehearsing your elevator pitch at the back there. Okay, that's all right. Take a big breath. Choose your microphone, all right? 30 seconds is all you have in 3, 2, 1, and action.
Nomos was founded by 7 individuals bound together by their passion for entrepreneurship. Our aim is to challenge traditional work life, and in doing so, we have created the Nomos Lap Desk, a beautiful product that couples functionality and versatility with sleek, minimal design. Every design feature has been carefully considered, from the genuine leather mousepad to the phone slot to the carry handle and even to the ambidextrous nature of it. Nomos is a lifestyle brand that aims to encourage performance and efficiency in any environment that you choose.
30 seconds is gone. That's amazing. Well done. All right, so same question to you. Your biggest challenge and how you overcame it.
So the biggest challenge for us was definitely the balancing academics with actually running a business.
Yeah.
Crazy learnings
Yes.
on that. And we found to overcome it was just to work as a team. And teamwork was the biggest aspect of it. And once you come together as a team, you can make it much easier to overcome all the stress and the challenges that we faced.
Yeah, man.
And when you have a product that helps with productivity, it just makes everything so much easier.
There we go. Guys, can we give these guys a round of applause? That's brilliant. Thank you so much to UCT for bringing this wonderful Genesis project to us. And man, more power to all of you. I'm investing. I'll invest. I'm in.